Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making White Christmas. Now traditionally this used to be made with copha, but we're using white chocolate instead. For this recipe you're going to need 500 grams of white chocolate, 1.5 cups of rice bubbles, 1 cup of desiccated coconut. I also used 1 cup of raspberry lollies that have been cut up as well. But you can also add other lollies or actual glaced cherries or nuts depending on what you want. And to decorate the top we'll use some sprinkles. We're going to start by melting the white chocolate. Now sometimes white chocolate will seize for whatever reason, sometimes you've looked at it wrong, sometimes the stars aren't aligned. It's that finicky. If it seizes this time, just keep trying to melt it because we can still use it. Also, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name's Beck and I run the channel with my husband Ben. We do a lot of recipes and a bit of travel, so if that's your thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now that we've fought with our white chocolate and it's mostly melted, we're going to add the rice balls, the coconut, and the raspberries or any other ingredients that you wanted added into the mix of the white chocolate. We're then going to mix it until it's well combined and we're going to place it into a lined tray. For those who aren't familiar with White Christmas, it's definitely an Australian dessert that is for Christmas time. Traditionally, it's been made with fruits such as sultanas and glace cherries, as well as other ingredients such as desiccated coconut, icing, sugar and milk powder, mixed in with rice bubbles and copha, which is like a hydrogenated coconut oil. But more recently, there has been moves to modernize it in replacing the milk powder and the coconut oil with white chocolate. I must say I am a bigger fan of the white chocolate version than the copha version. The copha version always felt a bit weird in your mouth and gave your mouth a bit of a weird coating. That said, the white chocolate version isn't as easy to spread out on a tray as you can see. Now that the White Christmas mixture is spread evenly in the pan, we're going to decorate it with Christmas sprinkles. Either as much or as little as you like, up to you. Once you've finished decorating, it's time to put it in the fridge for at least 5 hours, so the white chocolate can set. Once the White Christmas is set, you can use a hot knife to cut the chocolate and use a good sharp knife. Don't use a dull one like I did. And that's how you make White Christmas. You can store it in an airtight container for about a week.